Termites. Some call them pests, destroyers, home wreckers. And I guess if they're living in the frames of your house, that's true. But of course, that's not where the little blighters belong, is it? In their natural environment, termites are soil engineers, and you'll be mighty surprised at what they come up with. And I mean that literally. To put it in simple terms, termites know how to dig up the bling.
Anna, you're the termite expert. You have to explain this. Can termites lead us to gold?
Termites are fascinating creatures, and they're amazing too. They go down into the earth and bring up material to construct their mound with, like silt and clay. And this material that they use can often contain traces of minerals like gold, which then we can sample.
How do you know which ones to sample? Is it just trial and error?
We've discovered that we can use any mound when we're out in the field. So all of the termite mounds are sampleable, and so we'll go out in the landscape and record its location and where it is in the landscape, and from there we'll take samples into plastic bags and send them off to the lab. Once we have the samples in the lab, we're able to characterise the colour and other details like the composition of the sample. From there we're able to basically smash the mound up, and then we can put it through a shaker and sieve to 3 sizes, so the clay, silt and sand, which are all make up or compose the mound sample. From there we send it off to a lab for analysis, and then we get back information about the chemistry, so what sort of minerals are in it basically, including whether there's any gold.
People generally think that termites are bad news, but in their natural environment, it's a totally different story, isn't it?
Oh, exactly. Termites, there's only a few termites that will devour a house. In their natural environment, termites are really important in the ecosystem. They do a lot of aeration of the soils, and they're able to bring lots of nutrients to the surface, which plants and other animals require. They're just like the earthworms.
I'm still blown away that termites can help us find gold. In the bush, they're really helpful creatures, aren't they?
Yeah, not only can we sample them, but we can also use them to understand the landscape. Certain species have got preferences for different landscape positions, so using them we can understand a bit more about the environment in which they build their mounds.
Before today, I thought you could only find gold diggers around mines or wealthy people. But it seems I've overlooked nature's own mining experts, the humble termite.